In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Sologon. Sologon is a single-player game for GRAMMARGON, designed for deep grammar learning and review when you're alone. If you've ever played Solitaire, also known as Patience, you'll find Sologon very familiar and easy to learn. The object of the game is to get rid of all your cards by building sets of 5 on the foundations. You begin by shuffling the deck. Then, deal 4 stacks of 10 cards face down. These are called the reserves. Now, place a card face up on top of each reserve. These are the base cards of the tableau. The tableau are rows of up to 3 cards alternating between tense and type. Place the rest of the cards to the side as your draw pile. You generally start by sorting cards on the tableau and moving them to the foundations until you get stuck and can't play anymore. When done, draw a 3-card hand. Cards in your hand can be played on either the tableau or the foundations. Any cards in your hand which you can't play should be discarded face up onto the discard pile before you draw a new 3-card hand. At any time during the game, the topmost card in the discard pile can be played either on the tableau or the foundations. During the game, you can build 2 foundations, which must always begin with a tense card. After that, they can take 1 card of each type in any order to create sets of 5. These cards must all be of the same tense as the tense card you started the foundation with. Once you have completed a set of 5, it can now be discarded, and a new foundation can be started in the empty spot. Remember, as in all GRAMMARGON games, the most important thing is to check the grammar guide to be sure that you're playing your cards correctly. The tableau can only hold up to 3 cards at a time. You're only allowed to move the topmost tableau cards either to other tableau or to the foundations. Unlike the foundations, you can only sort cards of a different tense and a different type on top of each other. When you uncover a reserve card, flip it over to begin a new tableau. Once a reserve is empty, you can now use the space to build a new tableau. If you have discarded all of your cards from the draw pile, your hand, the discard pile, the reserves, and the foundations, congratulations, you have won! If you get stuck, can't play anything, and have no more cards to draw, you have lost. But don't worry. Just reshuffle the deck and try again. Win or lose, each time you play, you're much closer to mastering this grammar topic. Have fun playing Sologon and be sure to watch our tutorials for scattergon and contragon for other ways to play GRAMMARGON. Later!